Don't choose people who don't choose you. You know what, girl? You need to remind yourself na marami kang choices, te. A to Z, marami kang choices, te. Baka mag-all of the above ka pa nga, te, diba? So why are you choosing those people, te, who don't choose you, who don't see your value? Why, te? Like, if ganyan pa rin yung point of view mo, te, ikaw na yung may kasalanan, te. Like, I can't help you na if ganyan ka pa rin. Sometimes, te, tayo lang din mismo yung nagto-torture sa sarili natin, te. And we romanticize and fantasize things, te, na hindi naman talaga totoo. Like, get out of your head. If they don't choose you, then choose you. Piliin mo yung sarili mo. Hayaan mo sila hindi ka nila pilihin, te. Marami kang choices, A, B, Z, D. 8 billion, te, yung tao dito sa planetang to, te. Tapos, just because that friend, that partner of yours, te, didn't choose you, is katapusan ng mundo, end of the world na, te. Ang OA mo, te, pag ganyan. Really, ang OA mo. So, this is just a reminder, te, na hindi ka mauubusan ng options, te. Mas better pa yung options mo, but you just need to accept the fact that they are not the only person in this world. Really, really, te. You're having a scarcity mindset, te, na parang sila na lang yung natitirang tao here. OA. Some relationship doesn't work out, some friendship doesn't work out, te. Marami kang choices. Marami ka pang mamimit. Like, marami pang options, te. Pili lang. Check out lang, te. Add to cart lang. Ganon. And, te, remember, sa gandang yan, huwag mong sayangin yung ganyang aura, te. Just because, what I mean, yung skincare na pinababayad mo, 300 kada isang skincare, yung makeup mo, 500, 1K, and binimaintain mo yun, te, every month. Maybe, te, nagpapagluta drip ka pa. Diba, ang mahal-mahal, te, i-maintain ng sarili mo. Mahal ng maintenance mo, te, tapos magsisettle ka lang sa ganyang choice. No, te, always value yourself. Sometimes you are just settling for less because you don't see your own value. And meron talaga mga tao, te, na makakakita ng value mo na yun without you even pushing it and forcing it for them to see it. So, marami kang choices, te. Do not forget that, and you are that bitch. That's all I felt for more.